Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute, no equipment, no plank ab workout for beginners. So we got 5 different exercises that we're going to repeat twice. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of break. What we need today is just our mats, but don't forget your water and your towel. Also, if you enjoy this workout, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 하실 수 있는 맨몸 복근운동을 해볼 건데요. 오늘은 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 그 다음에 플랭크가 없는 동작들입니다. 사실 5가지 운동을 2세트 해볼 거고요. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 오늘 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 그럼 여러분 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Ready everyone? Let's go and get started with the warm-up. Big arm circles. Reverse it. Hamstring curls. 4 kicks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, hamstring curls again. 4 kicks. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your arms like side to side. Hip openers go for 3, 2, 1. Reverse it. Other side. 3, 2, and 1. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate 4, 3, 2, and 1. Jog it up for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's go and get started. First exercise, we are starting with toe knee touch. Right here. Knee touch. So here we go. It'll be right here. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Tapping the knees up. Exhale up. Inhale, release. You can just have your heels on the floor, up to you. Take a break. Next one, we're doing leg raise. Leg raise. So hands under your hips right here. Ready? Here we go. Inhale. Exhale up. Now modification, bend your knees, tap your heels on the ground. Otherwise. Keep going.
I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but
Take a
I'm
break.
ready.
Ooh,
Yeah,
next
never
one.
ready.
Toe reach crunch.
I wish I could
Toe
have
reach
been
crunch.
stopped. The first time that you stood me up, I wasn't ready. Yeah, never ready.
So here, exhale up, inhale down.
I'm still waiting for. I'm still wanting.
Modification, bend your knees. Keep your feet low. Forward.
But still I want all of you. Oh please, give my heart a break. It's more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you will change. But suddenly you're gone, always on the run, playing with my feelings and you do it just for fun.
Take a break. Next one, heel touch crunch. Right here.
I did. Do you ever wonder how I really feel? Every time you turn your back, I wish I
Take a
was
quick break
doing
anytime you
that.
feel.
Many times I try to start all over. Give my heart a break, more than I can take. First you say you love me and you promise you would change.
Cool.
Suddenly you
Running crunch next.
always on the run, playing with my feelings, and you do it just for.
Ready? Exhale up, inhale down. Water break after this. Great job, everyone. Get water.
If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have
Good.
my weights, and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion, illusion. Yeah, I
Okay,
feel
round
feel
two,
like
going
I
back to
can
knee touch
I'm gonna
crunch.
get
Ready?
beer right out my coffee
In
cup. I
3,
wanna do what I
2,
want.
1.
It's just an illusion.
Let's go.
Illusion. Try to come,
Last round, round
but I
2.
know it's gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like we're singing. It goes like I guess it's been a while since I was
And leg raise
I
next.
can be like this, I can be like that. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion, confusion. Yeah. Have you ever felt like you was on display? Every word you said just had to be explained.
Here we
I guess
go.
my time's run out.
Leg
It's
raise.
just confusion, confusion. Try to come.
Inhale.
But I know it's
Exhale.
gonna take a while. So what? I wanna hang with my friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like we're singing. It goes
Take a
like
break. Next one, toe reach crunch. So ready? Right here.
I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. So what? I wanna hang
Keep
with my
going.
friends. So what? I wanna go out again. So what? I wanna write you a song.
Almost there.
All that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like
Take a break. Number 4, heel touch
singing.
crunch. Heel touch crunch.
it goes like
Ready? And go. Touch, touch. One more after this. Keep going. Ooh. Feel it right in your oblique.
I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I'ma go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip.
Next one, running crunch.
Gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me?
Here we go.
I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than
Exhale once, inhale two.
Are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich.
And we are done for round 2. I'm gonna stop the timer and get water.
I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me?
Okay, shoulder roll out. 3, 2, 1. Up and over. Switch. Interlace your fingers, press out. Arms up, side to side. And lean back. Open. Press up, slowly bend forward. Stretch. Switch. Heel down, toes up, hips back. Switch. Plie squat. Toes forward, hips back. And hip stretch. Switch. We'll finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we are done for today. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the workout. Make sure you drink enough water, stay hydrated, stretch more, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.